Yeah, Auntie Aggie said, she said my womb don't spoil.
Yeah.
Auntie Aggie said I no go fit carry belle.
You know
So
what?
we go show up now to be a witch.
Hey, Jesus!
I want one.
Wait,
You go, no, leave me.
Calm down. Listen, hold on.
Your Auntie Aggie said no get womb.
No mind her.
She said no get womb.
No mind her. No mind her. She don't know what she dey talk. Calm down. Calm down. So, I'm here. Mommy, calm down. Calm down. You're my wife. Oh. You are my love. You are my joy of inestimable value. You are the mother of my unborn 6 children that are coming. You don't forget what the doctor said. He said nothing to you. He said you are fine. He said I'm fine.